Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to download and install Battlefield 6 RedSec on PS5.
Step 1. Turn on your CI then sign in to your PlayStation Network (PSN) account. Step 2. Go to the PlayStation Store from your C5 home screen. Step 3. In the search bar, type Battlefield RedSec and press enter. Step 4. Select Battlefield RedSec from the search results. Step 5. On the game page, choose Add to Library. It's free to play. Step 6. After adding to library, click Download to start downloading the game. Step 7. Wait for the download to complete. Step 8. Once the download finishes, the game will install automatically on your PS5. Step 9. After installation, go to your game library and open Battlefield RedSec. Step 10. Log in with your EA account when prompted, then accept the terms. Step 11. Adjust your settings, graphics, controls, etc. if needed. Step 12. Start the game and enjoy playing Battlefield RedSec.